araw pong ito ay para sa inyo who are right here para kayo po ay mapasalamatan at maihandog sa inyo ang bagong campaign ng Asian Hospital na Alagang Deserve, Alagang Sulit.
Grabe talaga importante ng kalusugan, di ba? Yung virus na yan, walang sinasamba. Lahat tayo kinaluhod ng virus. And that really helped us realize ang kalusugan ay para sa ating lahat. First and foremost, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat na pinaunlakan nyo ang aming munting imbitasyon na dumalo ngayon to listen to hear a little bit of what Asian Hospital is all about. So with that, thank you very much for joining us. We'll talk a lot more later. As I see may set tayo mamaya. So we can really have a conversation later on. So thank you again for coming in today. And we are here to help in the best possible way that we can. Na, syempre lahat naman wala nang guarantee, wala nang pangako, right? Ang tanging mapapangako naming lahat is gagawin namin lahat na kinakailangan para sa inyo, para sa kalusugan ninyo.
Kami nandito ko para in behalf of the more than 1,000 doctors ng Asian Hospital. And those 1,000 doctors cover all specialties. Okay? Both surgical as well as medical. Nasa amin po ang mga pinakabatikan at mga premyadong mga doktor ng buong bansa.
You are our partners in wanting to make this campaign known to many more patients. Hindi na lang siya pang selected communities, but we want people, our Filipino people or even foreigners to really know that they deserve alagang Asian, they deserve sulit health.
Actually, I'm great to know that you continue the world-class experience, the deserved experience. So I'm proud to be part of the Asian Hospital as a patient. So I'm grateful na you continue this kind of parang world-class deserved experience.
Thinking about this whole experience in Asian, as parents, we're also cared for, attended to, and treated like family. And for that, we thank you, Asian Hospital and Medical Center. God bless each and every one of you, 1,000-fold.
Kaninang umaga, we were talking to the press about what we are seeing is our vision, the international liaisons that we will set up, the new technologies, and the new services that we're actually going to open within the year. So yes, Asian is here for you. We're here for the long term. Thank you everybody for coming tonight. Enjoy the evening.
the journey that we have taken together, because we are all here as testaments of what Alagang Sulit and Alagang Deserve is.